Okay, so what I've done, I've put this rather chunky Mosfet in place of the dinky little one I had. This can source 5.5 amps at 400 volts. So this is a power Mosfet, while the other one was just a N-channel enhancement Mosfet. This is a beefy one with a big heatsink thing on there. So what I've done, I've shorted out the potentiometer there, so it goes straight to low resistance. Now the previous Mosfet basically heated up and burnt the preset, so hopefully this one's gone straight up to an amp. Which seems rather high. Now I did actually dial it quite, so I can change the something's burning. Ooh, it's that's burning. So clearly I can't short it out. It has to be gone through a resistor. So in this configuration with the high power Mosfet, the 510 ohm resistor in series with the pot, that works absolutely fine. One good thing, I do actually get a little bit more power. So it's a similar configuration to earlier. It's now using 0.4 amp, 1.48 amps, but critically the voltage is actually pretty much full. Keep probing the output there with the 5 fans running at full whack, and I've got 11.91 volts at 0.48 amps, which is pretty much the highest I've seen. So this power Mosfet does make a small difference. Say 6 fans per on, chunky IRF 740 N-channel Mosfet, power Mosfet. I bought it about a year ago for £1. 0.6 amps, it's the highest I've ever seen when it wasn't blowing up, and 11.7 volts, so it's a slight drop from 11.9. So we're back with 7 fans. I've got possibly 8. I've probably got 10 fans I could use, but anyway, 0.7 amps. My multimeter just turned off, so, and is only 11 volts, so it's sagged quite a bit there. At the low speed, you can tell we're going low because that's flashing quite slowly. This is based on the Noctua fan, so it's a reasonably fast fan anyway. The Mosfet is stone cold, absolutely freezing. The resistor cold. The B772, you know, that's pretty hot that. So I'm wondering if I was to use an N-channel Mosfet and a P-channel Mosfet. Now that might be fun. Now this fan, I pulled this from PSU. This is a 0.27 amp, 2500 I believe. It's absolutely dreadful sound on it, so that's why I took it out of my power supply. It's quite ridiculous really, because it's a gold rated power supply and it needed a screamer like this to cool it. Good old FSP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the circuit and see what difference it makes to my current level. This is really weird actually. I've put this screaming fan in now, and when this one's running, all my other fans slow down. You can practically hear them. And for whatever reason the C8 Luna's decided to lose its connection. There we go. So it makes it, you can hear the sound, the difference. As soon as I load up an extra fan, just not enough power in the circuit.